Assalamualaikum dear students. I am your maths teacher for class 5. This is my first lecture. Listen to me carefully. This is your maths book for class 5. Open to page number 7. Chapter 1, Roman numerals. The symbols for numbers are called numerals. We can write numbers in different ways. Number in words, the Arabic number, the English number, the Roman number. 1, ek, 1, I. 5, 5, 5, V. 10, 10, 10, X. 50, 50, 50, L. 100, 100, C. 500, 500, 500, D. 1000, 1000, M. Look at my chart. Roman numerals. We draw columns. First 4 in words, second 4 in figure, and third is for in Roman numbers. 1, 1, I. I is the Roman symbol which means 1. 2, 2, I. When we increase I in right hand side, we add it. I, 2. 3, 3. I. When we increase I in right hand side, we get 3. 4, V. Students, we can't write any Roman symbol more than 3 times. We write any symbol to left hand side, decrease its value. Decrease. V means 5, I means 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 5, V. 6, V, I. 6. We write any symbol to right hand side. Increase its value. V means 5, I means 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 7, V, I. 7. 8, V, I. 8. 9, I, X means 9. We can't write any Roman symbol more than 3. X is the Roman symbol which means 10. Minus I. 10 minus 1, 9. 10, X. Page number 11. 11, X, 10, I, 1. 10 plus 1, 11. 12, X, 10, I, 2. 10 plus 2, 12. 13, X, I. X means 10, I means 3. 10 plus 3, 13. 14, X means 10, V means 4. 10 plus 4, 14. 15, X, V. X means 10, V means 5. 10 plus 5, 15. 16, 16. X, V, I. X means 10. V, I, 6. 10 plus 6, 16. 17, 17. X, V, I. 10 plus 7, 17. 18, 18. X, V, I. 10 plus 8, 18. 19, 19. X, I, X. X means 10. I, X means 9. 10 plus 9, 19. 20, 20. X, X means 10 plus 10, 20. 21, 21. X, X. 20, I, 1. 21. 22, 22. X, X. 20, I, 2. 22. 30, 30. X, X, X. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 30. 31, 31. X, X, X. 30, I, 1. 31. 32, 32. X, X, X. 30, I, 2. 32. 40, 40. X, L. L is the Roman symbol which means 50. Write X on left hand side, decrease its value. 50 minus 10, 40. 41, 41. XL 40, I 1. 41. 42, 42. XL 40, I 2. 42. 50, 50. L. 51, 51. L means 50, I means 1. 51. 52, 52. L means 50, I means 2. 52. 60, 60. L is the Roman symbol which means write X on right hand side, increase its value. 50 plus 10, 60. Now students, read page number 11, 12 and 13 carefully. Now students, open to page number 14. Exercise 1.1. Students, you have two copies. This is copy number 1. Mention date. Exercise 1.1, page number 14. Write question. Write the following numbers in Roman numerals. Draw two columns, number in words and Roman numerals. 12, 27, 39, 49, 56. 27. X is the Roman symbol which means 10. X, X means 20. V, I, 7. 27. 56. L is the Roman symbol which means 50. V, I, 6. 56. Date. Exercise 1.2, page number 14. Write question. Write the following English numbers into Roman number. Draw 2 columns. English numbers, Roman numbers. 13, 28, 39, 46, 53. 28 XX means 20. VII means 8. 28. 53. L means 50. I 3. 53. Date exercise 1.3 page number 15. Right question. Write the following Roman numbers in English numbers. Again draw 2 columns. Roman numbers, English numbers. XX, IX, XXX, IX, XL, VII, XL, IX. Question 2. XXX means 30. 10, 10, 10. 30. IX means 9. 39. XL means 40. VII means 8. 8. 48, 48. Now students, you will solve remaining question by yourself. Now students, learn page number 11, 12 and 13 carefully and learn tables from 2 to 11. In the last, complete remaining question in your copy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.